In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request collaborator access in Shopify, and it's going to be both quick and easy. Whether you're managing a store or helping someone else manage theirs, getting collaborator access can be really beneficial. So let's dive right into the process. First things first, open up your preferred browser and navigate to the Shopify admin. Once you're there, look for the section that says My Store or Home. This is your main dashboard where everything you need to manage your store is readily accessible. Now, our goal is to find and enter the Collaborators section. Collaborators in Shopify are basically accounts that allow other people to help manage a store without sharing the owner's account information. It's a great feature for delegating tasks while maintaining security. Once you're on the Shopify dashboard, there's an easy way to get to the Collaborators area. Head towards the settings where you'll typically find options like General, Payments, and Checkout. These are usually on the lower left side of the screen. You'll want to find the option that allows you to type in Collaborators. A search bar or a query function may be present to assist with this. Enter Collaborators in the designated area. This keyword will direct the focus to the section we're looking for, saving you time from navigating through unnecessary options. Now, once you've typed in Collaborators, start looking for a clickable link or button that says Collaborators. This might appear as a list item or under certain headings depending on your Shopify version or settings layout. Click on Collaborators to proceed. This takes you to a page where you can manage collaborator requests and settings. It's quite straightforward from here. You'll have access to view current collaborators, invite new ones, and manage permissions, ensuring that the right people have the right level of access to your store. At this point, you will see another button or link saying Collaborators once more. Don't be confused. Go ahead and click it again. This might seem repetitive, but it's designed to provide you with all possible options and settings related to collaborators. The second click ensures you're in the detailed settings and management page for collaborators. Here you can invite new collaborators and send them requests to access your store. Remember, understanding collaborator permissions is a crucial step. It will allow you to control what aspects of your store the collaborator can interact with. By following these steps, you ensure that anyone assisting you in running your store will have the ability to do so effectively and securely without unnecessary access to sensitive information. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through Shopify's platform and found how to request collaborator access. Thanks for joining me today, and good luck with your Shopify endeavors. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable tips and guides.